Hey everyone, welcome to Junior Coding channel. So here I upload only Vital Junior projects. So if you like means please like, share and subscribe. So this is the coding project. Today what we're gonna do? Today Fruit Ninja game. It is very beautiful. It looks so cute. So today I am gonna write for that one code. Okay. So, I will give a small introduction to that and how to play. Let's start. Come. There will be a knife to cut fruit, but don't cut the bombs. Bombs means monster. Okay, that's how easy to play Fruit Ninja game. To hit the fruit slicing games enjoyed by many players right in all over the world. Last but not least, slice as many fruit as can you in classic mode. Just don't drop the fruits and don't click on the monsters. So guys, now I understood that you have been understand that how to play this game. So let's start to write the code now. But before writing the code, we will see that game that how look it is. Okay, come. So let's play. So this is the knife and this is the fruit. I'm just cutting this. Oh, monster! I'll not touch the monsters. And this code is increasing for me. Wow, it's very beautiful. I will never and ever touch the monster because then I will be die. Then the game will be over. So I will be only cutting the fruit. Wow, then the score is also increasing. Oh my god, the game over game. I just touched the monster. It's really bad. I want to play once again. But this is not the time to play. Let's teach to you that how to create like this best game. Let's come. We will see the code. So guys, already I have wrote the code. I'll just explain you and I will show you that why it is using and how it is using. Okay. So let's start. Come. So variable play is equals to 1 is equals to like a variable play is equals to 1, variable n is equals to 0, right? Variable game state is equals to a play. So guys, I think you know about this game state. Okay, I will ask you a small like very easy question. What is game state? Why we use game state? I think you don't know. Okay, I'll just say I'll just give an hint. Okay, in game state there are three states. What all will be there? For example, now you're playing one game called car racing game. For example, car racing game. For that first option will be play. So play is the first option. In second, what will be serve? Serve option to serve that thing to play. Okay. Next, the third thing is end. Suppose someone has hits you, then the game will be end, right? The game over. So that is called three states. What are called? Play, serve, and end. What? Say repeat. Play, server, and end. So play, server, and end are the main things for the game state. So the game state is called play, server, and end. Okay. So we have wrote only two, just play and end, no need serve. So already this serving, right? So no need serve, I just wrote play and end. That's it. Okay. So next one we are going to study about variable. You guys know about variable, right? So that is very good to know that you are knowing about variable. I just once again I'll say to you guys, So variable is nothing but variable name. See, for variable b, what is meaning of b? You'll be asking. No, we can give any name. Like I'll be giving as also race or any name which you can give very easily or difficultly. It's your wish. You can give very easily. Okay, so that is called the variable name. Okay, so variable name is equals to create sprite. So we are creating the sprite, right? So 200, 200, 400, 400. You'll be asking this, what is this type? 200, 200, 400, 400? Is it equal, equal? No, that is wrong thing. This is x, this is x, y, width, height. But don't write like this all, okay? It will be coming like y, it's coming like this, okay? So just erase this all, okay? So guys, I erase all. So next, b dot set animation back. So what is back? We'll go and see animation. I know back is background. We can even create the animation in the animation tab and even click on new animation. If you want to upload an image, you can also upload. If you see in background, I think I have to here only see. So it will be coming like code, but even I can give it as back. But I can't give the same thing as back. We have to give like back 1 or back 2, back 3 like this. We can give anything. See, it is coming like this, right? So wait. But it will not take. Then it will come like differently. It will be coming. So back 1 or any name you can give. It's your wish. Okay. So this is called a variable name for the animation stick and everything. Okay, so this is animation tab and this is code to code. Okay, next one, variable k1 is equals to create sprite 100 270 10 10. We are creating a sprite for knife and in x y width height. Then we are giving an animation for knife 1. Okay, next, do you know what is k1.scale is equals to 0.4? Everyone will know this, and I know this because I teach you very easily. Right? Please guess this. What is this? What is meaning of scale? Why we are using this? Semi? Exactly, it's correct, guys. That is size. We should not write like k1 dot size. We should not write like k1 dot size. It is very wrong method. Okay, guys. So we can write, but no need to write in this time. Okay. They will teach you like how to, what is meaning of scale, what is meaning of size, like. Okay, so we will write as a scale itself, but size will also work, but we have to write the scale in the code method. So understand? So we have gave 0.4 for the knife size. See, for example, I will be giving like 3.3. Just see now how much big knife, but the fruits are very small. No, we need always correct measure. Okay, let's give it as 0.4 itself. Okay.